Good morning. Welcome to Physics World. Today we discuss about chapter 9, some natural phenomena. In your life, you see or you face so many things which give so much happiness to you. But sometimes some things you have to face which are developed by the nature and which I'm sure that do not give any happiness to you. What are those things? Those are natural disasters. The natural disasters like winds, thunderstorms and cyclones. You heard about the effect of the cyclones, thunderstorms and winds. They can cause a lot of damage to the people and property also. In this chapter, we discuss about similar type of two natural disasters. One is lightning and the second one is earthquake. Let us start. Lightning, earthquake. We are going to discuss about these two factors, these two situations in depth in this chapter. Before going to in depth of these concepts, first of all, let me tell you what we thought about lightning. If you go to ancient time, our ancestor, they used to think that lightning is only because of the sign of angry of the gods, the sign of angry of the evil spirits. So they usually horrified with this lightning happening in the sky, and they usually happen to do many worships to the god to cool down the god so that lightning may stop. But today we know that these are not because of angry of the gods or the evil spirits. These are because of some scientific phenomena happening in the sky. In simple way, if you ask me, I will tell you that lightning is only the discharge of the charges from one cloud to the other cloud, and this charge is shown in terms of light. Lightning is just like a spark. You have observed these sparks when the hanging electric wires are shaken by the wind blow in rainy season. Sometimes you can see the sparks when some short circuit happen to the transformer and the ends of the electric and the ends of the streets. Sometimes when you keep the plug into a socket, loosely connected to the socket and is switched on, the sparks, what you observed, all these sparks are the small scale of lightning. So lightning is a big scale of sparking. So all this lightning or the sparks that happened because of charge accumulation. Charge accumulation means what? Charge accumulation means take a plane, some metal plate you have taken. So on the metal plate, if the charges are sit like this, these are positive charges, sit like this, then we say it's called charge accumulation. Because of that, you will see the effect of lightning. Some more examples I'll give you, then real time examples, some more examples. Suppose if you take off the woolen cloth from your body or the polyester cloth from your body, when you take off, you can observe that the hair on your hand stands on its end. When you comb the hair with the comb and bring the comb near to the paper pieces, the comb attracts the paper pieces. This is only because of charge accumulation. When you take off the woolen cloth or the polythene cloth in the dark, in the night when there is no light, then you can see some sparkles on your body. So all this because of sparkles only, and these sparkles are again the cause of lightning. In 1752, a scientist named Benjamin Franklin, he explained about the sparkles and the charge concept. He demonstrated the sparkling effect due to charge concept. He told that all this sparkling, lighting only because of charges, and we have basically two types of charges. One is positive charge, and other one is negative charge. The charge is having positive sign is called positive charge. We can represent like this, plus Q. The charges are having negative sign are called negative charge. We can represent like minus sign, minus Q. So he told that these charges actually moving from one body to the other body. When they move, then we can say one body gets charged and other body is also gets charged. For example, if you take a glass rod, it's a glass rod. It is rubbed with fur. Fur is a type of cloth. When the glass rod rubbed with fur for some time, then what happens? Fur gets positive charge and glass rod gets negative charge. Now you can say glass rod is also charged, fur is also charged. Glass rod is negatively charged. And if you observe this example carefully, how many positive charges fur is getting? Same number of negative charges glass rod is also getting. So if you count these minus signs on the glass rod, you have 6 minus signs. So I can write minus 6. If you count the plus signs on the fur, you will get plus 6. So it is positive charged with 6 charges, it is negatively charged with 6 charges. But if you take the combined system means combinedly fur and glass rod if you take combinedly, what is the total charge? Just add them. What you get? Correct, 0. Separately, if you have seen, this rod is charged, this fur is charged, but if you see both the bodies combinedly as a system, the total charge is 0. That means the system is neutral. Similarly, our human body is also neutral, electrically neutral. We have positive charges, we have negative charges, but we have equal amount of positive charges and equal amount of negative charges. So that's why the total charge becomes 0. That's why if you touch any other person, if you touch any of your friend, you won't get electric shock, and your friend also do not get any electric shock because of you. If you touch iron rod, you won't get electric shock unless the iron rod is connected to an electric power supply. So in nature, all bodies are electrically neutral. I am telling you the word charge many times. So you should know that what is actually charge means. Charge is a particle. Like how you see electron, it's a charged particle. Proton, a charged particle. So charge is nothing but a particle which is having mass and charge magnitude. Suppose this is the particle P. This particle P is having mass m and it has charge magnitude q. If it is having no sign, I can say this particle is having positive charge. If it is having negative sign, I can say this charged particle having negative charge.